This video is for the Scratch Project Assignment 5 levels. First, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your enemy sprite, which in this case is my bat. And then from here, I'm going to click on the control menu, and I'm going to click and drag an if block. And that's going to go at the bottom, so I'm actually just going to scroll down to the bottom of my code, and I'm going to drag that if block to go underneath the last if block. From here, I'm going to click on the operators menu, and I'm going to click and drag an equals operator to go into the little hexagon there. I'm then going to click on the variables menu, and I'm going to grab a score block, and I'm going to make it say if score equals 5, then we're going to start level 2, basically, and we're going to make our enemy faster. So it's going to say if score is equal to 5. But you can choose wherever you want level 2 to start. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on, we're not on the variables menu. You already want to be on the variables menu. You click on make a variable, and you're going to type in speed and OK. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to click the set health. You're going to change it to say set speed. And then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll up to the top of your code. And then up here, we're going to have set score to 0, set health to 20. We're going to set the speed to 10. Anyway, then what you're going to do next is you're going to see the speed block right here. You're going to notice right here where it says move 10 steps. We're going to replace that with the speed variable, because now that we've made it a variable, we're going to be able to change the speed. From here, what you're going to do is you're then going to scroll down to the bottom of your code, and you're going to set the speed to a higher speed than 10 if the score is equal to 5. So for example, we'll set the speed to 20 if the score is equal to 5. So then what you're going to do next is you're actually going to also add a broadcast so that it'll say level 2 across the screen. You're going to do that by going over to the events menu, and you're going to drag a broadcast block to go above the set speed block. Right now it says game over, but we're going to click the drop down arrow, say new message, and we'll call it level 2, and then click OK. Then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to add a level 2 sprite. Put your pointer on the little cat, click on the paintbrush. And then from here, we're going to add a text box that's going to say level 2. And you can make it as large as you need to. So I'm just going to make it nice and big. And then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the code tab to code it. I'm going to add a when flag clicked, and that's in the events menu. I'm going to click on looks, scroll down, I'm going to hide it. All right, so then I won't actually see it when I click the flag. But what I am going to do is I'm going to make it show when it is time for it to show. So from here, I'm going to click on the events menu and then click on when I receive. I'm going to choose when I receive level 2. Click on looks. I'm going to add a show and a hide block for now. Then from here, I'm going to click on the control menu, and I'm going to drag a wait 1 second. I might choose to show it for a little longer, like 3 seconds, but anyway, if I play my game, then what's going to happen, let's just say, for example, all right, I'm going to score points. So I'm at 1 point, 2 points, and then when I get to level 2, what's going to happen is it's going to say level 2 for a few seconds. And then from here, the bat's going to go faster.